I'm very happy to confirm this meeting and to invite people in Rome. It's a beautiful city, and this will give you the same opportunity we missed 2 years ago. So let's come back in Rome and finally go back to the normal life, normal activity, and to what we lost 2 years ago, we can still find this year in June, still in Rome. Another opportunity to to have to start again networking people that have the same interest, but also to broaden the number of people that will get interested, because our goal is to increase the number of surgeons that will treat this type of pathology, because so far it has been such a small club, let's say, for several reasons. Now we would like to broaden the number of surgeons that could treat this pathology for the benefit of the all patients across the world. Because of course, depending where you are, what type of hospital, you may not find the person that has expertise to repair an aortic valve, and this should be broadened as much as possible to give all patients the same possibility across the world.